Camp 26, just do tips, repairs, and hobbies, and we've got a scissor video we're doing today on comparison, and I'll show you two pairs of scissors. One is from Pakistan, another one's from Germany, and the first scissor is this one right here, and it's a 4 2/8 scissor. Okay, you measure it from here to here on the blade. Okay, it's a very heavy-duty scissor. It's got a good grip, and it can give you 3 fingers hold on the gripping part when cutting, which gives you more leverage when you cut. You can cut probably light rug with this and material. And it's got an adjustment nut here, which is a nylon nut, and one here you put a socket on there and you adjust the blade if they ever loosen up on you. You don't want them really tight, okay? But that's the first one there, and the coating is still intact. The other one is the Weiss Weiss scissors from Germany, and this is a 2 1/2 inch blade from here to here, and it's got a screw here to adjust with a screwdriver, and it's got a grip, but you can only get 2 fingers in there, which gives you less leverage. But it's a craft type of scissor, you know. You're not going to be cutting rug or heavy material with this, but it's good utility. But it has lost the rubber part here, the coating, which you can always redip. You can buy that coating in the can and redip it if you can find it, and fix the grip on it. The way you oil these is from right here. You drop oil in here or in this part, and if it's a kitchen utility scissor, you don't want to use silicone or motor oil or anything like that. You want to use a vegetable oil or olive oil to put on your scissors. Okay, those are the two scissors. Good value here, and they're both engineered very, very well between the two. I highly recommend either one of them. If I find them in the on Amazon, I'll put the links below for you guys. And I don't do much tool videos. I thought, hey, I got to do a tool video for you guys. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless you.